Gotta change my answering machine.
Yo, I don't know if they ready for this one right
now
here.
that I'm alone, cause right now it says that we
This exclusive right here.
can't come to the phone. And I know it makes no
got
sense, cause you walked out
We
the
got
door.
Romy.
But it's the only way I hear your voice anymore.
The Romix.
Now if I would've knew, I never would've did what I did. And now I gotta live with all the shit that I did. Heartbroken, feeling like I'm missing a rib. You gave me all your love and now you got an Indian give. And I can't blame you, it don't feel painful. I wish it was a movie and we could just take two. Now all this raindrop is falling on me, ever since the day that you walked in on me. And now I can't sleep at nights, it's kinda hard to explain how I feel inside. So I try to swallow my pride to make things right, but it's hard when it shines in a negative light. I ain't the negative type, but I do negative things. But I'm trying to make it right with you under my wing. Then go back to the days we was matching our Sims. I think about it, baby, while racing sings.
Raindrops keep falling on my head, but I think I can see it's just hiding the tears from my face. Since you've been gone, I'm so out of place, and I need you here.